Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So as I said yesterday that I will keep sharing the mock test score. So today I attempted this SBI PO prelims 4th of January 2021 memory based mock test. So what really happened is that from the last 2 days I was feeling some lack of confidence. So in order to feel good about my preparation, I tried to attempt this SBI PO pre. This is previous year paper and this is of prelims. Okay, so now I am going to share its score. And so the rank is 108 out of 6885. Then the score is 69 and I attempted 79 questions. I will tell you where I went wrong in this mock test. Then the accuracy is 89 and the percentile is 98.44. Now I am going to show you the section wise marks also. Okay, so in English this was the mistake. In English I got 15.25. Then in quant I got 27. In reasoning I got 26.75. So in quant I attempted 27 questions. In English I attempted 24 questions. And in reasoning I attempted 28 questions. So what happened is the level of English in this mock test was moderate, but I made mistakes in the error detection questions plus in the fill in the blank question also. So this much questions I attempted and the accuracy is this. In reasoning I attempted one wrong question and in English the accuracy is very less. So this is the timings. Now I am going to show you the thing which I found the best in this mock test. So this is the thing which I wanted to share with you, is that in many mock tests, like I attempted this question wrong. So if we attempt any question wrong, so they just provide the right answer. But the thing which I found very good in this mock test is this: the key points plus they have given the additional information like the basic concepts also, like the uses of to, with to is explained, and they have given the example as well, plus they have given the basic rule as well. And this is like very good. No mock test provides this, and this is like very nice. I will show you in the other questions also. Like this, they have provided everything with example. So I found it very good. And in reasoning I will show you the question which I attempted wrong. So this was the question, I attempted it wrong. I marked only one follow, but the answer is none follows. So this was my mistake, and this were my marks. And plus the analysis part is also very good. So if you want to go for the test book yearly pass, then you can go for it. I suggest you, as the explanation I found is very good. I will give you the link of this mock test in description, and by using my code you will get some discount also. So that's all for this video, and if you attempt this mock test, then please try to write your score in the comment section. All the best.